This is the summary of Act 4, Scene 3, and I like to call this one I Drink to Thee. The characters that are involved in this scene are Lady Capulet, the nurse, and Juliet. So Juliet basically is in her room with the nurse and Lady Capulet. Has gotten things ready to get married the following day, and she has obviously her own plans up her sleeve after talking to the friar. And one of his conditions was to make sure that she was alone, that no one was in the room with her before taking the sleep-like drug. So she asks the nurse and her mom to leave, and Juliet has her long soliloquy, contemplating all the things that could possibly go wrong with this plan of her faking her death. Finally, towards the end, she dedicates this act to Romeo, and she takes it and falls into a deep sleep. This takes place in Juliet's room. The reason why this scene is important is really just Juliet does have a bad feeling about this plan overall, and it is kind of foreshadowing what is to come in this play. Please read and enjoy.